right, we'll just give you the last one. I talked to, sorry, now actually one more now actually remain. Now the last one, they go the extra mile. Now some people don't even want to stress themselves at all in going the extra mile to prove that yes, your reason for that for staying in that company actually good reason. Now if they talk say, why don't you arrange this place like this? Me, arranger. I pay go, I go stress myself. Now my company. Not my company, that one day I go get my own. So you don't want to even go the extra mile at all to impress your boss. So why would he actually promote you if you don't actually go the extra mile?
Yeah, but it gets some people. We understand impress. That's do something different from what you do yesterday, so that when somebody else they look and go say, oh, you do well yesterday, but today on day even better. But some people they nag. They nag you. They nag you. Oh, why didn't you do this? Why can't you two do this? Because we'll be employee. You get some employees where they go on choke you till
their head.
You understand that they take the job, and so now there you they push somebody, you go say now your papa job. When they don't push somebody to a certain level, the person will say, why you carry the job like say now your father job? Not be your father job.
And that's a statement where I know for me, I know that we need to go with them.
That's people they make that statement a lot. But I tell you, before somebody make that statement, we understand the layback people that just as it be so now so it's supposed to be, and so it will be from January to December because they feel say now so it don't be before. You know if you say you need to be creative so that somebody will say, he fine before, but as you can't do and I be like say it day better. You understand? So some people they like that. So I just feel say we need to help each other, even though we did company. You need to help each other because they say one hand they wash himself, so you got to join.
Try and go the extra mile.
I want add
just
something.
A few points.
A few. I think that the motivation where they make people get job in the first place.
Okay.
You know what was the motivation? If not to earn a living, of course, this part of the world where we did, people hardship there everywhere. So somebody wants to get a job to earn a living, but you fit move beyond that because you want to make a difference. Make I give you an example. Some of us now, we sit down for here. Once you make $100 billion, where do you work again now? Why I go work?
No, but a man will lie you.
Right. You get, but waiting, I want to try explain. We say Bill Gates was being interviewed. I was watching a show where then they interview him, and the guys they ask him, say, you're very wealthy and everything. Why be say you never retire? And the statements when he make be say, when I started out this company, it was to provide Microsoft in every home. And now he said, is there still the need for that? And everybody's answer is yes. So why am I retiring? You understand? So I think the motivation way they make us get job is very important.
So right about now, you don't hear that one. I go still come add on top again, on top my cocoa of the day.
Amaka have come.
Yes, because all this plenty talk just put one question from my head like that, and I need to throw the question go out there. And the question is this: if you say it dey all right, in fact, it dey okay, make oga boss, they abusive, like physically abusive to his staff, like make he slap you or make tell you be idiot. No, you say they okay.
You know they okay, very wrong.
To insult and stuff, say be idiot or slap and all those kind of things.
Make our guests.
Those of you that want to check out, you have to enter at Talk Wazobia for Twitter and Talk-Wazobia TV for Facebook. So our guests will tell us.
If you get some people who suppose they zoo because animalistic behavior. It is dehumanizing. It just take a human being. Wait now, it carry a human being, make them reduce them to less than a human being. I think the value we suppose get for human beings should be very high. You know, the person are your gate man, the person are your driver.
Cleaner.
You know, the person now the true test of a person. Now how we treat people when no fee pay us back.
Yes.
You know, so your gate man, your driver, you know, treat them with respect. They be human beings. Say they be gate man like we started before. No mean say you go treat them like say they be less than human beings. And I think it is totally wrong.
I tell you, I actually like your point, but make you give us our motivational quote of the day.
Made our organo try. All right, the motivational quote of the day. This one comes from John C. Maxwell. He say, a man must be big enough to admit his mistakes, smart enough to profit from them, and strong enough to correct them.
Wow.
I actually like that particular
I like that.
Now, better manners of today. Today, every Monday, better manners. Now, ladies, no adjust your...
In here.
Underneath it.
Yeah. You know, some ladies, they like adjust. As in, you are in public, you're talking
not
about
like that. So I dey try,
And you know,
wetin you dey pull?
wait, calm down. You know, say the thing they make noise. Some if I say the noise, they say, but the problem is say half of the girls we know they wear our size.
Yeah, it's
we know they wear our size because you just go bend down markets. Just say,
Yeah,
And this one
I'm
fine,
supposed
though.
to be know all this.
yeah, you know.
Even for guys.
Ask if I ask her.
Yeah. So you
Jay is supposed to be know all
you
this
don't need
thing,
to.
right?
You serious. You don't need. You need to go where
But you
they
need to
sell
know.
out. Actually, people will understand what you supposed to wear. You understand? If you dey very heavy, you no need to wear tiny hand. If you dey very tiny,
dey
you go wear
uncomfortable.
something where they very soft so that you dey comfortable. Make we try to wear our size. Avoid all this.
I think say no be for only ladies though. I think say also guys need
Guys,
to.
they do am.
I think
What's it that they pack for front?
No, guys too. Yeah, better manners for today now to girls and guys. Now, girls, stop adjusting in public. And
Same
to
as
guys,
guys.
please stop packing. What
If
are
it's
you
not
packing?
your size, wear the one
What
with
are you
your
packing?
size.
Stop packing, please, in public. Please.
If not be their size, I don't get them. Now just what they pack and I know be
Hey,
their
now, if wetin dey take pack and no size that, may you find one way size you wear now. If it's like go just start best for society, you go see where they go do like this.
So please stop packing.
I hate.
Let me read some messages.
Okay, concerning the cocoa of the day, we get plenty messages from inside Facebook. Faith Adora, she said that's abnormal, and I wait till she gets talk for that one. Blessing Matthew, you say you no good though. As madam or oga, treat your work as well. Them no go one leave you. This life now today we know tomorrow. God fit change their life. Now Solomon Ebos, he said now how you treat your employee well, now so the person go take work for your chamber better than other employees. As for me, it no dey good for oga or madam of the company to slap an employee. Abdullahi Danjuma in say it no dey okay at all. Heyo, heyo. I don't know the kind of name that one be, but
Yo.
he say you know they right at all for oga them to they slap their employee. Banks Ibrahim, he say you know they okay at all. You guys are all on point. Nice hairstyle, Betiana and Amaka. No motivational video today.
Oh, so sorry about that.
But next week, Monday,
Expect
We'll
it.
give you.
bumper package. Solomon Ebos, he say, Betiana, is that your natural beauty?
Yes.
Yes.
Because nowadays your beauty don't change. I like your hairstyle. Likewise, Uwi. Really happy to see my Edo person as presenter in the TV. Uwi, keep it up. Edo person, no, they carry
Yeah,
that.
Queen Bee. We're not
Not
carrying that
really.
at
We.
So Delta girls, we rock.
Okay.
all right, thanks a bunch to all those that send us messages. But if person won't reach you to consult you about how to develop themselves, because I know now waiting people they lack developing yourself. How they go fit reach you?
I'm on Facebook, Okechukwu, Facebook /Okechukwu I am.
Okay.
Right. And Twitter, I am POD, as per I am PODII. Right.
PODII.
Yes, as per at I am PODII. POD now like my nickname.
Okay.
Way people they call me.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, make sure you follow on top Twitter. I am PODII.
Right.
That's letter I. Follow on top Twitter and ask them any question where you want.
And on
actually ask
Facebook
them.
as well.
And on Facebook too, Okechukwu
Anyam.
/
That's in
Anyam.
/Okechukwu Anyam.
All right.
Okay.
Right.
So make sure you follow and ask them any question concerning your work. All right, now so you be on top today's show. We go surely meet you tomorrow for our real life issues day. If you get any story where they bother you, send them to us on top Facebook, TalkTalk-Wazobia TV, or Twitter at TalkTalk-Wazobia. As we they always talk before we come over inside studio, ladies.
To talk, no be bad thing, but make you know what you dey talk about.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.
As we